Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey into the world of mindful investing. In this video, we'll delve deep into the concept of mindful investing, its fundamental principles, and how it can revolutionize the way you approach your financial decisions. Mindful investing goes beyond the traditional pursuit of profits. It's about making investment choices that resonate with your values and life goals, all while maintaining a profound awareness of the present moment. 1. Understanding mindful investing. At its core, mindful investing involves making financial decisions that align with your core values and long-term aspirations. It transcends the narrow focus on financial gains by encompassing ethical considerations and social impact. One cornerstone of mindful investing is socially responsible investing. Socially responsible investing encourages investing in companies and projects that mirror your values, whether those values revolve around environmental sustainability, social justice, or ethical business practices. Another vital component of mindful investing is the integration of environmental, social, and governance factors. These factors evaluate how a company's operations impact the environment, how it treats its employees, and the effectiveness of its governance structure. 2. The foundations of mindful investing. Effective mindful investing begins with aligning your investments with your personal values and long-term objectives. This approach involves assessing potential financial returns alongside the ethical implications of your investment decisions. The marriage of socially responsible investing and environmental, social, and governance factors facilitates this alignment. By considering environmental factors, social impact, and governance practices, you're able to make investment decisions that create a well-rounded and conscious financial portfolio. 3. Mindfulness in financial decision-making. Mindfulness's significance isn't confined to meditation or relaxation. It can have a profound impact on your financial decision-making process. By fostering mindfulness, you cultivate a clear, focused mind that's less susceptible to emotional biases and impulsive actions driven by fear or greed. One practical technique involves examining your emotions and motivations before making investment choices. This practice empowers you to make deliberate, rational decisions that harmonize with your long-term financial goals. 4. Building a mindful investment portfolio. Crafting a mindful investment portfolio requires a balanced approach that takes into account both potential financial returns and associated risks. Diversification remains a fundamental principle, distributing investments across various asset classes to effectively manage risk. Beyond conventional stocks and bonds, explore the realms of impact investing and community development. Impact investing seeks to generate positive social and environmental effects alongside financial gains. Community development investments, on the other hand, support projects that uplift underserved communities, creating positive change at the grassroots level. 5. Long-term perspective and mindful wealth. Mindful investing underscores the power of long-term perspectives. Rather than pursuing fleeting gains, focus on the enduring potential of your investments. Just as mindfulness encourages patience and presence in daily life, it advocates for patience and persistence in financial endeavors. Mindful wealth transcends the mere accumulation of riches. It entails utilizing your financial resources to catalyze positive change. Consider philanthropy, support for causes that resonate with you, and contributions to sustainable initiatives to nurture both your financial well-being and your sense of purpose. By aligning your investments with your values, practicing mindfulness, and embracing a long-term perspective, you can sculpt a more meaningful and impactful financial future. If you found this video enlightening, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might find value in these insights. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to continue this incredible journey with you in our upcoming videos.